Well, at first look, I don't see any problem with the rods. But upon deeper inspection, I do believe we found the offending issue. This is a 2-bolt block. Of course, 2-bolt 400s have always been told they were stronger than the 4 bolts because the webs are thicker through here. And while I had raced some, I've never had one break. Obviously they do. So that's a new one on me, but maybe the rotating assembly is salvageable. That will be good. So that's kind of a good news, bad news. I may get by with just a block, some machining, and disposable parts. So that's it for now. I'll keep logging in my progress as we go. This is kind of a shame though. I got hours on this old scraper that I had to clear out for the stroke. We'll catch you on the next one. So thanks for watching.